Hi everyone, Tridib from TGT and welcome to another quick update video about Safari. In a previous video, we discussed about Apple releasing Safari 15.2. Now, with the public release of macOS Monterey 12.2, Apple has also released Safari 15.3. I have made a separate video about macOS Monterey 12.2. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll link it in the description box below and in the end screen of this video as well. So if you have already updated your Mac to macOS Monterey 12.2, then you already have Safari 15.3. It came preloaded with Monterey 12.2. To check, open Safari, then go to About Safari, and here you can see the version is 15.3 and the build number as well. But if your Mac is running macOS Big Sur or macOS Catalina, then you should see Safari 15.3 as a separate update. To check for the update, go to System Preferences, then Software Update, and you should find the update here. Now for the reference, I am running macOS Monterey 12.2 in this mid-2017 MacBook Air 13-inch. With macOS Monterey 12.2, Apple also released macOS Big Sur 11.6.3 as well. So if you are running Big Sur, then there is a version update for you. Before the update, you need to close the browser, and this update should take just a minute or so to install and do not require system restart. Just like Safari 15.2, this version also doesn't actually have any specific visible changes. It's mainly a security update, at least what I have found so far, but I will let you know if I find something else later. But from the security point of view, this is a major update. Safari 15.3 comes with a major security vulnerability fix for your Mac. There was a WebKit flaw in Safari 12.2 where any website can learn a visitor's recent and current browsing activity while using indexed DB, that is the database. This was affecting the Safari on iPhones and iPads as well. We were discussing about this security issue during our iOS 15.3 beta update videos. This should be fixed now. Now let's go to the Apple security website page. And here you can see this version contains a number of WebKit updates for both macOS Big Sur and macOS Catalina. As you can see, a use after free issue was addressed with improved memory management. A logic issue was addressed with improved state management and many more. This also includes the security flaw which I mentioned previously. You will find this note linked in the description box below. About the performance, well, as you keep using the browser for your day-to-day activity, you will eventually know that in this 2017 MacBook Air, Safari 15.2 was running without any visible issues, nothing fascinating, nothing irritating. So I think Safari 15.3 will be as usual. But I have found out that pop-up blocker doesn't work properly in some websites with Safari 15. Pop-ups appear all over the pages while visiting some certain websites. Do write your experience in the comment section below, and if you have found something else. Also, please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.